Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So in this second chapter, I'm going to teach you how to familiarize yourself with the logos of comfort software that we are going to use to simulate the PLC project later in throughout this semester. Okay, in this chapter, after you have completed this chapter, you can set up the logo Soft Comfort software, and then you can use the logo Soft Comfort software to write the PLC circuit. Okay, and then you can simulate the PLC program. So first of all, you need to install the logo Soft Comfort software. So this setup.exe has been put in your class material in the Microsoft Teams, and you can obtain this file from the folder that is given in the from the logo folder that is given in your Microsoft Team. Okay, and then you will download this setup file. Okay. Once you have downloaded it, okay, and then you click on the setup.exe and start install. Okay, and then the install process begin and you accept the terms and then you click next. Okay, and then you choose the installation destination folder, or you just can keep it in the default location. Then you can choose the shortcut location and you click install. Okay, and then you just wait until the installation process complete. So when during the installation process, a window will be prompt up. Okay, and then it will ask you whether you want to install the driver program for the USB PC cable. You just click yes. And then you install the logo and then you wait for the installation process until it is completed and then you click done. Okay, so to open the logo Soft Comfort, go to your startup windows here, and then you find Siemens. Okay, and then under Siemens folder, you can find this software, Logo Soft Comfort version 8.0 demo. So this is a demo version, and therefore do not update anything. Yeah? Okay, and then after that, you can click on the logo icon, and this window, the logo window, will be pop out. Okay, you can start create a project by click on the new. You can choose either you want to do the function block diagram or ladder diagram. Okay, so this is the environment for the ladder logic diagram, and while for the functional block diagram, this is the layout. Okay, you can see the different layouts. If in the ladder logic diagram there is a rung here, so this is we call rung. Okay, but whereas in the function block diagram you can see a dotted layout here. Okay, so you start the logo Soft Comfort. So the ladder logic diagram is for those who wants to work with the circuit diagrams. Okay, we call it a circuit diagram. And then function block diagram for those yang familiar with the logic boxes of Boolean algebra. So maybe in this class we are going to use both. Okay. Okay, I will demo to you how to use the logo software. Okay, so this is the ladder logic diagram. Okay, here, this is the menu here. Okay, you want to have a new circuit, and then you can save it. Okay, okay, and then this is a diagram editor, and this is the simulation button. Okay, with the word sim here. Okay, and then this is the instruction that you can put in your ladder logic diagram. Okay, for example, I have an input here. Okay, so you can just make contact is the input, but this is a normally open input. You can put it here, and then you can put a relay coil. So relay coil is the output. Okay, and then you can choose another input. Okay, when you put in an input, for example, this one. Okay, you can choose the input, which input that you want to use. Okay, if let's say I want to use a different input, so this one I bring it here. Okay, and then this one is all with this circuit, so just connect. Okay. All right. Okay. And then after that, you want to simulate it. You click on the simulation icon, and then you can see that the red line here, meaning that the circuit, the current is going through this line. Okay, in this, the second and third round, you can see that this switch is already closed, and therefore this current is going through the circuit. Okay, so the second circuit is completed, and therefore you can see Q2 is illuminated. Okay, the bulb here, which is indicating the output status of Q2. Okay, while Q1 is still uh, still off. Okay, the output. So then when you click on the input one, only then the output will be turned on. Okay, and then when you close it, so it will going back to the initial state. Okay, so later on you are going to use this logo software to simulate your project. Okay, so you can see the output here, and then you can see the input here. So you can change here. Either you change it here or here. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. So this is how to use this logo software. And then this is the function keys that you can use by using this shortcut keys in the logo. Okay. For file open, Control O, file save, to edit, cut, okay, Control X, and then to copy, Control C, to paste, Control V. Okay, maybe some of the circuit you might have a repetitive in the circuit. Okay, you can use Control C, and then you can use Control V to paste the circuit to another rung. Okay, that is one of the example. Okay, that's all for the introduction of the Logos of Comfort software. So hopefully you can try on your own after this. Okay, so I'll see you again.